Hi everyone, it's Abby from Foyr Neo Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create and style your home entryway on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by adding a seating area and coat storage to the back of my entryway. I'm using the rotate and resize functions to position items into place. The blue highlight indicates when the item is snapped to the outer wall. I'm now going to search the catalogue for gallery wall pieces. I'm using two different formats plus adding some of my own frames to make a bespoke arrangement. I'm then changing the texture using the panel on the left to make all the frames the same. Next, I'm adding a console table from the catalogue, again using the rotate and resize functions to make it fit my design. I am then adding some accessories to the top. I'm using the View Similar function on the candle to view other products without searching the full catalogue. I'm using a cluster of 3 items to make the design more aesthetically pleasing. I'm now adding a radiator on the opposite wall. Again, the blue snapping shows me it is touching the wall. I'm now using the Textures panel on the left to change the colour of my doors to pink, my hardware to gold, and also my walls to green. Next, I'm changing the texture of my rugs using a fabric that I uploaded and saved to my uploaded textures album. I'm also changing the stairs to green to match the walls. I want to add some more light to the space, so I'm inserting some windows above the doors and resizing them to fit. I'm using the clone tool to duplicate them, and any changes will automatically apply to both windows. I'm now going back to my gallery wall to change the images to art that I have uploaded to my uploaded texture album. I'm now going to swap to 2D ceiling plan mode to insert a large statement light from the catalogue. I can then swap back to 3D mode to check the positioning and change the texture. I'm now going to take my render by clicking Take Render in the top right corner. I can amend the internal lighting and use the panel on the left hand side. I can amend the sun using the icon in the bottom right corner. I can take a preview of the render by checking everything is OK before clicking the Take Render bottom in the bottom middle. I'm choosing the 4K option for the best quality. Here are the finished renders. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below.